This is Lev Mills, associate broker with Keller Williams Realty and property manager for Mills Elite Homes. Just wanted to give you a brief walking tour of 123 Rue Fontaine, and this is in Lithonia. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath condo, and it is beautifully renovated. The first thing you'll notice are all the nice new flooring, fresh paint. This is the first room that you enter, which is, I guess, kind of like a living room space or a family room space. You have your own little patio here. And then there's like a little sunroom right there, which is pretty cool. It's a lot of space for a condo. You come around the corner here. There's additional storage. There's a nice closet right there. This beautifully renovated kitchen, brand new oven, stainless, microwave, wonderful fridge. This brand new sink. It's great. It's granite. Looks great. You've got your washer and dryer connections here for full-size units. We also have a nice little pantry here. And you have like a little dining area in here. You got your mechanicals in here. Then you have bedroom number 1 has a fireplace. Isn't that nice? And check out the size of these closets. These closets are huge. Bedroom number 2. And you have a nice, big, huge closet here. Here's a nice finished bathroom. Got your the monsoon type showers. Beautiful brand new vanity. Got your water heater right there. Then you enter the nice big master here on the end. Nice vanity. Look at this big walk-in closet here. And of course your toilet and shower here. And you got even more closet space. I mean, you got space. It's probably one of the largest condos I've seen. First floor. Everything's on one floor. Beautiful renovation. So give me a call. This is Lev Mills with Mills Elite Homes and associate broker for Keller Williams Realty. My cell is 678-590-5999. Give me a call. Be happy to show this wonderful condo to you for lease. And we're looking forward to working with you. All right. Thank you and have a great day.